Overland Expo West 2024. We are here, Flagstaff, Arizona, and this is probably our biggest year yet. We have some amazing booth partners. Obviously, we are here. We've got our whole setup, retail, display lights, all good stuff like that. But we also have 511 Tactical with a full setup here and Rugged Radios with a full setup here. Not only that though, we have the giant Dang Bro pizza truck here. So come check it out. We got the big fire truck cooking wood-fired pizza. And we also have a bunch of really cool sessions going on. So both today, which is Friday, and Saturday, we have two really cool sessions. Then Sunday's the chill day, come relax, come hang out, and just have a little bit of fun. The two sessions, number one, we have a Gas Station Gourmet Cookoff Challenge. So we got 3 chefs competing, the best ingredients that we could find for them at a gas station. That's one. Number two, we have the Blindfolded Camp Setup Challenge. So you got rugged radios on, you're blindfolded, and your partner's telling you exactly where to go and what to do. That being said, if you can't make it to the show, Jacob, what do you say? You wanna go walk around the show and walk around the booth, show off some booth vehicles?
Let's go.
All right, let's do it. All right, so on my left and my right, I have two of my personal favorite vehicles of all time. I'm a Toyota guy, so we're gonna start with the Tundra first. Justin Freeman of Donut Media, he's got the Tundra. It's got a fresh wrap on it. It's got all new wheels, tires, armors, lights, all the good stuff. So it's got our Gravity Titan light bar overhead on a nice roof rack. It's got all the worn winches, Factor 55 gear, all the really good stuff. Freaking love the first gen Tundra. Love that thing. Right behind me, Shaun, AKA the Story Till Now. He's got the built Gladiator. You guys have all seen this thing by now. This thing's amazing. The new wrap on it matches the KC color scheme. Pretty primo, stoked on that. He drove it all the way down from Canada, had a couple beadlock failures, but he made it here safely, thank goodness. So we're stoked on that. So always fun to hang out with Shaun. He's been staying at the Airbnb with everybody. It's a good time hanging out. All right, next up we got Brian, AKA ShadowMark Industries with the Grenadier, right? So I've only seen, I don't know, Jacob, like 5 or 6 around actually in booths so far. So I would have thought I would have seen a million more of these things just because of how cool they are. I do want to show off one of my favorite features. Oh, he's also got the big camper trailer, but I do want to show off probably my favorite, the sleekest feature that they did on this thing, which is the integrated Flex Era 4s in a nice grill mounted bezel. Thing looks so freaking sick. And the KC booth, right? So we got everything going on right now. The team is hard at work getting set up. It is 7:27 in the morning of show day. So obviously our booth is right next to the rugged booth. We have everything on sale. We're doing a great discount. And then we're also doing a really fun swag pack for any purchases of Gravity Titan lights, whether it's pair packs or light bars. So we've got the full setup. We have all of our apparel, all of our merch. We've got the e-bikes out so you can go rip around on those. And then right next to us, we have our friends at Rugged Radio. So they're all getting set up too, but they have all different comms, GMRSs, and everything that you might need to talk to all of your friends if you are on your next Overland adventure. Hey, on the way over to the 511 setup is the Rugged Radios Bronco. This thing's sick. This is actually Dustin from Rugged, his personal vehicle. But it's a beautiful representation of all things that we do and that Rugged does. And then right behind that, they also have the big Sprinter van too. So that thing's all decked out. That's like a mobile office for them. That thing's pretty rad. Then right behind me, we have Luke's, AKA the 511 Toyota Tundra. That thing is literally as built as you could possibly ask for it to be. And then right in front of the 511 retail setup, you can see we got the adventure bikes. We've got all of the gear. The whole team is hard at work getting set up right now. This is gonna be a very fun year. Like I said, I don't think we've ever gone this big with this big of partners before, so we are absolutely stoked on that. Then, as we walk this way, you can check out the RoR van. RoR has never built a van before. This is very exciting. Those guys are usually the people that kind of break the internet with their various Gladiator builds and Jeep builds, things like that. So this year, we wanted them to do a van, or they were already working on a van, so we wanted them to bring that in. Obviously, you can see that thing set up. It's got the big Slimline 8s up top, looks amazing on those vans. You can check out all the custom bracketry that they did. The wrap job looks amazing on it. They have all the Flex Era lights on the front too, so this one's pretty cool. And then finally, the Dang Brother pizza truck. They actually, I mean, you can check it out right here, look at this. They cook pizza out of this thing, and it's a freaking fire truck. I don't need to say anything else. Just gotta do a little bit of cleaning while we're at it, Jacob. And there you have it. That's our booth. We got 511 Rugged KC. If you're in the Northern Arizona region, come check it out. Overland Expo West 2024, gonna be a crazy year. If you're not here in the area, stay tuned, because Jacob and I, in the next videos, we're gonna go walk around, show off our favorite vehicles of the show. Thanks guys, see you later.